Hey there, and welcome back to the YouTube channel DaveTech. Now, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download the Chrome app to your Android TV, TV box, Google TV using Unlinked. This method will work well with any device running an Android operating system. If you find value in this tutorial, hit that subscribe button for more content like this. I'd like you to go to the App Store and go to Unlinked. If you don't have the Unlinked application already, check the link in the description below. I have a tutorial there showing you exactly how to get this application to your Android TV, TV box or Google TV. Now when you have it installed, click on it to get in. I prefer you click on it with the remote. So navigate to the App Store, navigate to Unlinked and click OK. When you get into the app, you're going to be prompted with add a new library. So add a new library. I'm going to type in the library name. The library name we're going to be using to download Chrome is everything. So type in EVERTHING. I miss the Y though. Everything. Yeah, ensure that this is correct, no spaces, all caps, and hit enter. You'll be taken to welcome page where you click enter to proceed. And now you're going to scroll down to the apps. So I'm going to go to tools, and this is the Chrome browser right here. Click on it once, we'll toggle up the download button, and now I click on the download button and the download will begin in a few seconds. So be patient, depending on your network, this will take you from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, and when the download is done, you can easily install this app to your Android TV with the install button. It automatically toggle up. I just need to click install, and you have this app installed on your Android TV, TV box, or any device running an Android operating system. If you found this insightful, subscribe, join the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.